Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a house in the Clubhouse app. Whether you're looking to build a community around a shared interest or organize private discussions, first, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then, tap on the gear icon settings. Look for the option labeled Create a House and click on it. After that, enter the name of your house in the field, provided. Choose a name that suits your purpose or community. Then, click on Create My House to finalize the setup. Finally, tap Done to complete the process. Then click on Go It. Your house is now created and ready to use. Creating a house in Clubhouse is quick and simple when you follow these steps. Set up your own space, invite members, and enjoy conversations. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.